So we're gonna go through a little maintenance with Nick Nitro Willet here.
Dude, I'm already on.
You guys gonna keep riding?
Yes.
After you fix that?
Nick, what do you got going on there?
I'm fixing a flat.
You put your tube in first, and then you put the tire on? Did I see that?
I did do that.
Interesting.
What? Are you gonna tell me there's a different way?
No, apparently you've you apparently mastered this technique. I'm just.
Apparently I don't do this enough.
So you put the
Forever.
tube. You put the tube in, and then you put the tire on.
Well, how is she gonna get the tube in?
This is priceless.
What? You're not gonna put this up, are you?
No.
Well, show me your ways, V. You still going?
I'm still learning.
You still learning? It's a learning curve.
And what is your profession?
I'm a teacher.
Oh, okay, good. I started to think that you were thought you were a bike mechanic.
No, I don't do that. Is there another way to this? Or that I'm not following?
So have you ever seen the YouTube videos that people post for how to fix a flat?
No.
You haven't? You might want to try that first. And then what we can do is we can do how not to fix a flat.
Alright.
And this video probably would be appropriate for that. Oh, will it?
Well, get it on, man.
Are you kidding me? First of all, you're steamed up.
What we're going to have to do right now is we're going to have to get the tool out because I'm not strong enough. We're going to have to do a little prying.
Oh, will it? Who is your sponsor to get you into Expo?
That would be Mark Shea.
Oh, Mark Shea. Maybe.
I don't see much of him anymore.
It's,
Probably why.
yeah, I'm just wondering, maybe for future club requirements, we might have to have a guy.
This ain't going on, man.
All right, Will, I'm coming.